Hi guys, for today's video ay pag-uusapan na naman natin itong Job Street. Yes po, pwede po kayong mag-download ng app. Pwede po kayong pumunta sa kanilang site. Yes po. So, as you can see here, virtual assistant permanent work from home day shift weekends off up to 40K. Yes po. Nakikita niyo po, administrative assistant, administrative office support. So, ito po yung mga qualification nila. Ito po yung job description. Full-time. Employment type, full-time. Shift, day shift, Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. Weekends off. Salary, 30,000 to 40,000 plus fixed monthly allowance, 2,000 for internet and electricity. Diba? Ang ganda ng offer ng trabaho na to. May 2,000 for internet ka pa and electricity. Work setup, permanent work from home. Exciting perks await. HMO coverage with free dependent upon regulation. Competitive salary package, fixed monthly allowance. Permanent work from home arrangement, day shift schedule, fixed weekends off, unlimited upskilling through MAPTA Academy courses. Want to know more? Meron pa silang courses na offer free 24/7 access to our office gyms, Ortegas and Makati, with free physical fitness trainer. Okay, exclusive unlimited opportunity for employer referral incentives. So, meron po kayong makukuha incentives for referral. The qualification we seek, a bachelor degree in any field is prepared but not required. Minimum of 3 years experience in administrative virtual assistant. If you have experience in virtual assistant, administrative, customer service, so, in kayo dito. Paralegal experience is an advantage. Proficient in Microsoft Office application or Google Suite. Strong communication and problem-solving skills. Must possess strong character, excellent work ethics, a positive and professional demeanor, effective time management skills, and proactive approach to seeking and providing assistance. Your daily tasks: communicate with clients to gather and prepare evidence, manage administrative tasks associated with the legal process, I don't know how to with professional including insurance companies, lawyers, doctors, and their staff. Coordinate and schedule client appointments with specialists. About the client, a legal firm that stands for justice. For over 25 years, our client has been turning up the volume workers' rights. So, hindi na natin na yan. Employer's question. So, ito po yung question nila. Top question. Your application will include the following question. What's your expected monthly salary? Basic salary. How many years experience do you have as a virtual assistant? Which of the following Microsoft Office products are you experienced with? So, yan po yung question ng mga employers dito sa MAPTA. Okay. So, they have 4.0 reviews. It means legit. So, perks and benefits: medical, miscellaneous allowance, loans, dental, sport, example gym. So, they have a MAPTA Academy also. Be careful. Okay. Be careful. Don't provide your bank credit cards details when applying for jobs. So, yan po, ang ganda po ng opportunity ng trabaho na ino-offer nila, lalong-lalo na sa maraming experience na sa virtual assistant. So, what are you waiting for? Punta na sa job site, Job Street. and search nyo na po ang IMAPTA Virtual Assistant Work from Home Day Shift. So, imagine guys, 40K at nasa bahay ka. Halagaan mo pa yung anak mo. And makakapagtrabaho ka pa at the same time sa bahay. So, saan ka na? So, visit na sa Job Street. I hope na nakatulong itong video na to guys, lalong-lalo sa mga walang trabaho ngayon. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you!